everyone, this is Riya Jana and in this video I will discuss about function in programming language. So what is function? Function is a set of statements that execute a particular task. So why we need functions in programming language? Function helps us to break a large programming code into a smaller chunks or modular blocks. That makes a large program more manageable and easy to debug. In Python programming, we can declare or define a function using keyword def or def. A function name should be uniquely identified and there should be a colon at the header of every function definition. So when you are defining a function, the statement you will declare within the function body should have the same indentation level. You can also use parameters to pass value within the function, but apart from that you can definitely create a function without parameters also. And most important part of the function, that is function calling. Until you call a function, you cannot see what is happening within the function body. So after the definition, you can definitely call the function to see what is happening in the function body. Thank you.